Hey guys, good morning. Just want to say thank you so much. We actually just hit over 900 subscribers. Super cool. Thanks to all of you for the support and the continued everybody, subscribing, sharing my stuff, and just watching my videos and everything. Um, we actually just hit 25,000 followers on my TikTok too, which is super awesome, man. Like I've always told you guys, I'm surprised that I have so many followers and stuff. I'm happy that a lot of you guys have made a crap ton of money. Some of you guys send me messages or you leave comments and you're like, man, I made like $10,000 last month because of this dude, or I made like 5 grand, or I made more, or $100, couple $100, $1,000. Either amount, right? I'm happy that everybody's making money and stuff. I never expected, collectively, to even help anybody actually make money, or my TA, or just me talking was gonna help so many people out, right? Which is absolutely insane to me. But still, thank you guys so much for the support. I'm still surprised that I have over like one follower, which is absolutely amazing. Um, but let's keep growing, man. And we're almost at 1,000, which is absolutely crazy. And I can't wait to hit that. Maybe in like a year or two, we'll be at like 10,000 or something. I don't know, man. But thank you guys so much. Appreciate the support. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody on here. I really appreciate all of you.